Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, it was a big trade, but it could have been bigger, man. Oh man. I think I made a total of 8 million on it. And I wasn't full size. It was definitely my top 4 trades, maybe even top 3. Yeah. Man, this could have been a $20 million trade. I mean, are you kidding me? It just keeps going higher. Like yesterday, I sold my shares in the high 40s. And then I rebought some in after hours at like 48 area when it flagged. Then I sold those shares mostly in the, I don't know, around 70 or something. And the stock is up another 40% since. Are you kidding me? Like, what the fuck? It's insane. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, I actually said on the stream yesterday it was gonna hit 100. No, we're not in a bubble. But, you know, it's... This is what I talked about yesterday. Imagination is more important than discipline. You need to have you needed to have imagination to believe this HX was gonna go down to $10. Right? It actually went to 7 in after hours. You need imagination for that. You needed imagination to believe DWAC was gonna go to 50 or 70, right? Or even 100. Unfortunately, my imagination ended in the low 70s. That's when my brain cells kind of fried. Fun. Where's my Celsius? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Snap was totally destroyed. Well, DWAC is gonna be an epic opportunity on the short side. Hopefully. Fun. What's the news on Fun? Is it like DWAC sympathy? I guess it is, right? Okay, DWAC sympathy. Okay. That's all I needed to know. Fun? Are we having fun yet? Are you kidding me? Oh man. Yeah, I could have yeah, it could have been a $20 million trade if I hadn't gotten shaken out the first time. Well, there's a lot of what ifs on this. You can't, you know. Okay, good luck, guys. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. I'm just waiting for the trading halts to end. LAC? No, it's just a flag. Gold is actually in a very big flag on the monthly. Beautiful flag, but it's a very slow mover. Yeah, this insane Momo in this sector right now. Holy shit. Okay guys, let's stay focused here. No chit chat. No chit chat first 30 minutes. Strictly business. There's gonna be some insane opportunities, DWAC. Eventually. No, fund didn't go to 500 in February. Hey guys, do you guys know when DWAC is gonna get unhalted? I'm too lazy to check. And also too stressed out. I'm really nervous right now because today is either gonna be a really good day or a really bad day. Three minutes? Okay. Okay. $20-minute halt. Yeah, looks like it. Snap should recover based on what? Fun is having fun again. And it's hot. Who cares about Snap? Guys, it's irrelevant. Who cares? There's so many other things going on. Snap, we were hoping for a good EP. Didn't happen. Move on. It's irrelevant. Really? What broker I use? Really? Like, really? Can some moderator extend the chat period to like 9 months or something? I can't. It's unbelievable. Can a moderator it? Yeah, 12 months. 9 months. It's It's like some people can't follow the instruction on the screen. Unbelievable. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, if you have 3 brain cells, you have an extremely large competitive advantage versus people who only have 2 brain cells. And if you have 2 brain cells, you have a competitive advantage over people who only have 1 brain cell. Trust me on that one. Hey, Stock Daddy and Martini, I know you have my back. Is CRTT also a Trump pump? Okay, thanks. So many sympathies. So DWAC a 23-minute hold so far. Nasdaq, it's a Nasdaq, right? Of course it's a Nasdaq. Here, let's see, DWAC, where is it? TRK, another one. All right, let's see here. LUDP, volatility trading pause. No ETA, okay. What? I'm sorry, what? I can't use my locates on fun. That's not fun. What a scam. Man, now fun is probably gonna go down to 12 bucks. No, I have locates, I just couldn't use them because they restricted trading in one of my accounts. So I had to get locates in another account. Locates on fun are easy. It's not that hard. Okay, what's the ETA? Is there an ETA on DWAC yet? Because I need to do something. BFRA, what's this? Whoa, there's like halts everywhere. It's insane. Okay, no ETA and DWAC. 8 indication on fun. Oh, what do you mean 8 indication? 8 minutes? Okay, be right back. All right. 10, okay. Wait, how can you see the resumes? Because I don't see the resume time on the Nasdaq website. Is the Nasdaq website useless? Exactly. Kenny boy, look. DWAC resumes when Kenny boy has finished his coffee. That's how it works. That's how things are. Really? It got halted instantly? That was quick. How long did it trade? Like 2 seconds? What the fuck? I could not get an order. I got an order in, but it got halted just exactly the same second. That was annoying. Yeah, 5 seconds tops. This is how it was feeling squeezed on Kodak. Imagine getting stuck in a halt scenario. Stock keeps going higher and you're short. That's what happened on Kodak, and it was a fat finger trade to begin with. Dumbest thing ever. But even the Kodak halts, they weren't this quick. This was insanely quick. Oh well. Yeah, a lot of amateur traders getting blown up on this on these things. If you have no idea, that's the right thing to do. That's the problem. People who blow up, they have no idea what they're doing. They haven't seen a real squeeze before. Yeah, I saw DWAC. I don't care about DWAC. It's irrelevant. Oh, I got filled. Yes! 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 I got 60,000 shares on DWAC. Okay. And a good average too. Really? It gapped up? No way it gapped up! What? I had an order at 154 that I got in just before it halted the last time, and I got filled at 160 at the open. Oh, holy shit. What is relevant now? DWAC U? No, DWAC U is still irrelevant. Holy fuck! This is the worst type of trading. Do you know why? These things that halt, it feels like you're gambling because you have so little control of your entries and exits. It's such a dangerous thing. But man, when you have something like this, you know, you have such a symmetrical risk reward. I mean, this is one of the craziest opportunities I've ever seen. I'm not gonna lie. Top 5. Top 5. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Yeah, GME, AMC were the biggest opportunities, I guess, or one of them. You know, instead of asking for the other 4, what you can do is, you know, find out for yourself. Go back and study these. You're gonna learn much more than me just mentioning the tickers. Trust me on that one. Yeah, CLF. Maybe I should have bought it. Oh well. I'm trying to get into this AMAT. It was straight up. Oh, this is why the openings are the worst. There's so many things going on at the same time. You're missing stuff. Horrible. Horrible. So when does this fun open? Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah. Markets haven't been this hot in probably 4 or 5 months. Not since AMC went crazy. Well, 60,000 shares on DWAC, that's a starter. I had 250,000 shares located. I'm willing to add. But the hold thing needs to stop. Ideal scenario, it, you know, goes lower, goes back to 120s or whatever, 130s, goes sideways for several hours, and then no, it's open again. And then, you know, has another leg lower to 80 or something. Oh man. It's so stressful. It's so stressful. It feels like I should have shorted more on this opportunity here. But who knows? Man, there's so much stupidity in the chat right now. Come on. Some guy's asking if I'm $60 million dollars short of DWAC. Get your math right. No, not 60, 90 million. Really? Yeah, so many people who haven't followed the instructions on the screen. They don't understand how I trade, and there's so much confusion. And they will be they'll stay confused until they blow up and have to go back to their day jobs. That's how it works. And then the cycle repeats with new people. Such stakes, dude. I'm starter size. It's starter size. I just wanted the halts to stop. Yeah. Well, you know, look, it's the people who don't follow the instructions on the screen. That's where this money is coming from. That's how I got rich. I just try to be a little bit smarter than the average person. Put in a little bit more effort than the average person. Not too much, because that's exhausting. Man, I'm so pissed I didn't get a short on that fun in the like low 19s or mid 19s. I had locates in one of my accounts, but they restricted it. So I had to get locates in another account. So when I tried to short it, it didn't go through, and then it was halted again. Man. The worst thing is when technical issues make you lose money or make you miss opportunities. Especially when you have opportunities like this. That's the worst thing ever. So far, DWAC is playing out like a textbook. And for those of you who don't understand the trade, the entry I was trying to get was opening range lows. But everyone who has followed the instructions on the screen already know that. So I don't have to say it. And now a good scenario would be if we can retest VWAP, maybe overshoot it and then fail to add more. Maybe get a bounce back to 140s or maybe in 150s or something. 140s, 150s. Hopefully not 160s, but that would get my blood pressure up. And I have naturally low blood pressure, just so you know. Not that anyone cares, but... Damn, I need to go to the bathroom. The Celsius I just drank needs to come out. Oh wait, I have a few sips more. Oh, the last few sips, those are the best. When the bubbles are gone and it's starting to get a little bit warm. Last sip, I love it. Yeah, that's my plan B. I'm gonna use the can as the toilet. That's my plan B, yep. I just can't believe my entry on DWAC. Man, this thing could have just gapped down to 145 or something and just kept going down. I can't believe it filled me at 160. Oh my god. The market gods were so generous with me today. Well, yesterday too, but holy shit. No, it's not gonna be a $20 million day. But maybe it's gonna be a $10 million day. If it can, you know, give us some great entries later throughout the day before the big crack, if the big crack comes. I'm not gonna be short over the weekend, no matter how weak it closes. Or maybe I am, I don't know. Yeah. Man, I haven't felt like this since like February. So insane. This is the times we as traders live for. This is that it's asymmetrical. It's not like a regular job. You get paid the same every day, every week, every month. In trading, most of your profits can just come from, especially in swing trading, most of your profits can come from just a few months per year. And most of your profits in a month may just come from a few days. Come on, fun. Well, for me, it's like 100% of the profits 20% of the time. Nah, maybe 40% of the time. Fun, do we have, where is fun? Fun here. No. Oh yeah. Not an ideal scenario. I really wanted more, you know, I was really hoping it was gonna hold up for more entries. I covered 10,000 shares, just, you know, lock in some. Well. Yeah, well, I really hope we get that VWAP test. I really hope we get it. Man, this was so textbook. If you didn't recognize this opportunity, you need to get your shit together and do some studying. I can't... Oh my god. It actually went that high. 175. It actually hit 175. Yeah, my imagination ended at 70. Unfortunately, my imagination ended at 70. I'm telling you guys, the one with the biggest imagination are the ones that win at this game. Now you just need the imagination to believe this thing is gonna go back to 60 bucks. If not today, but you know, next week. Well, AMC to 2 million, that was a joke, but yeah, that was a big imagination too. It was a joke / imagination. Guys, do we have a time for fun? They don't say how long it's gonna be halted. It's so annoying. No, it's true. I mean, it doesn't mean you can't, you know, you still need to have a process and very specific rules. But if you don't believe a stock can go up, like for example, I'm gonna give a good example for you recently. I bought mRNA here on the high tide flag, right? Back in June or whenever it was. July, 12th of July, right? Now, this thing, it doubled. Well, 110% in what, 3 weeks? Right? If you don't have the imagination to believe it's gonna make a move like that and surf the 10-day the whole way up, you're not gonna catch moves like that. My imagination ended here in the 330s, I think. UPST, same thing. I had the perfect entry. Both opening range highs here, like 167 or whatever it was. Unfortunately, my imagination ended here in the 280s. Right? I thought it was being smart. Hey, it looks so extended, I'll sell it. Went up another 42%. HX yesterday. My imagination ended here at like 12 or 11 bucks. I covered somewhere here. And then it went to 7. On the other hand, on that one, I had really small size. I should have made like 4 times as much on it. I got, man. I made a big mistake on HX, not adding on these breakdowns. I should have added on the 5-minute opening range lows on this breakdown here. I should have just kept adding on it. Man, I didn't. Yeah, the magnitude of the run. The mere magnitude. When you have something like this, you know, up 1600% in 2 sessions, you have to understand it's a very rare occurrence. On double and triple digit stocks. It's ultra rare. I mean, you're just stacking the odds in your favor. But you would know that. Well, you will know that if you do study. You will understand that. Man, fun. I can't believe my broker fucked me on that one. Actually, it wasn't my broker. It's a clearing firm. They restricted the stock. Oh. Yeah. I should have added in the mid 130s on DWAC. Man, I always underestimate these. Yeah, CRTD was another. Oh man, this was never halted. Holy shit! I could have played the breakdown on this thing instead. Oh, oh well. Hard to focus on days like this. Maybe I can at least get an entry on AMAT. It was so powerful at the open, I just wasn't fast enough to get it. Yeah, I'll give you the imagination on TNA. Or on Russell 2000. Here's the imagination. And I predict somewhere August next. Oh yeah, nice. Come on. Halted again? No way. No, I got filled. Okay. I covered another 10,000 shares. Oh, I really wanted to stick around a little bit longer. But yeah, August next year, I predict Russell will do something. No, not 2042, next year. Alright, let's get the VWAP bounce now on DWAC. Come on, let's get back to 130 or 140. The higher the better. Nice 50% plus retrace intraday. Man, it was so textbook and I'm so grateful. I'm a little bit disgusted I didn't add more in the mid 130s or low 130s when it didn't insta halt. It was trading for like 30 seconds. I was thinking about it, but still I'm so grateful I got those fills. Imagine if I hadn't gotten those fills. I would be so pissed. Like HX yesterday, I only got filled on a quarter. Yeah, and those of you with small accounts, you can just, you know, you get insta fills. Small account challenge has to be one of the biggest scams ever. Locates on HX in center point. Are there account restrictions in center point on DWAC? Margin research? I didn't know that. I haven't noticed anything. Do you think... I think energy is gonna run big next week. These oil ETFs are flagging. Uranium ETFs are flagging. Uranium ETFs make me... Oh man, these things look explosive. Yeah, guys, on these stocks, like DWAC, I got the locates, like, I don't know, around 10 a.m. local time. That's like 2 a.m. US time. What? Oh. Alright, I covered a little bit more DWAC. It's made a big move. So I'm half covered now. 4 a.m.? Yeah, maybe it's 4 a.m. Yeah, 4 a.m., not 2 a.m. Yeah, IB is trash. IB is not good with the for shorting these momentum stocks. What broker is good for shorting? Yeah, if there was just a fun place to find out. A magical place with a lot of information. Oh well, I guess no such place exists. Hoodie? What's that? What's Hoodie? Yeah, that's a good setup. Yeah, it was up like a zillion days in a row. Yeah, that's a good exhaustion setup. You wait for the momentum to break. You wait for some weakness. These things can, you know, these things can have pretty big mean versions. AR or yeah, these are nat gas names. Yeah. Oh, yeah, these things look. What's the third one? ARRRC. There's one more nat gas name. Or there's probably more. CRK. Yeah, SM. Oh my. god! Holy shit. Man. Man, if I had a small account, I would have insane returns. Jesus Christ. Can't trade any. Or wait, this is actually... If I push some size on it, maybe I can get it some... you know what? I'll start stalking it. Or see... no, this is too... Yeah, because there is no issue with a small account. That's the thing. Oh, Fun finally opened. Oh my god, if I had gotten filled, that would be an instant 2 million bucks. Okay. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm actively looking for our re-entry on this DWAC. As it's running up into VWAP. Hopefully it goes to like 140. That would be great. Probably not gonna do it, but... Really? I got filled on 7,000 shares? Yeah, Vet 2 looks great, yeah. Yeah, because the move is so explosive. Whew. Got some ads, but probably not enough. You're using Schwab and Fidelity? I'm sorry, are you 50 plus? You're actually trading with Schwab and Fidelity. That's a boomer move. Do you have to call your orders in at those brokers, or how does it work? Do they have like a electronic interface? No, it's a serious question. No, really. I'm sorry if I offended someone or anyone. Wasn't my intention. But if you want to compete in this game, you gotta get a competitive broker. Now all these energy and metals names are coming in. Man, CRTD was the easy one that didn't get halted. Could have shorted as many you wanted. And now it's lower. But I can't complain. Holy shit, what a day. Or the last couple of days have been insane. Centerpoint offers sterling and does. But you would know that if you had visited their webpage. And I think they may offer another one. No, I think it's only sterling and does, yeah. No uptick rule in US market? Why would there be an uptick rule? You mean SSR on DWAC or PHUN? Why would there be a SSR on those? Doesn't even make any sense. I think I may do some portfolio cleaning before the weekend. I'm definitely gonna sell this LTHM if it closes weak. And maybe size down on some other names if they close below the 10-day. All right, let's go, DWAC. Let's go. Well, I don't know how much you make in 1 year, but I'm pretty sure I made more money today than most people make in their lifetime. That's the beauty of trading. You get your shit together, the sky is the limit. No one is gonna limit you. No office politics, no one is gonna stand in your way. It's just you. It's just you. If you fail, it's because of you. What happened to my computer? What the fuck? Oh my god, my trading computer screen just went dark. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Oh, thank god this was not that open. What the fuck? Oh. I need to restart it. What the hell? Thank god I'm not in a trade that needs super attention right now. That's not great. What advice do you have for people trying to trade with high? If you have high blood pressure, get your health in order. Stop eating crap. Start moving around. Get a job with less stress. Get rid of assholes in your life. Well, the problem is getting a dog may just add to the stress. So it's not the right thing for most people. Usually the answer is removing things from your life, not adding things. If you're constantly stressed out from trading, you know, you're doing something wrong. Stop day trading, stop scalping. It's just stupid. Usually high blood pressure guys are the ones that are sitting there watching every tick of every, you know, they're watching 50 stocks at the same time. Scalping for pennies. Alec Baldwin killed someone? Yeah, that's old news. So obvious? No shit. I was making a point. But maybe you didn't listen the second half of the story. How do I wind down? I'm already wound down. It's now a low stress trade. This DWAC. I wonder what happened to the computer. That should not happen again, ever. But I managed to restart it successfully. So now it's a lower. Oh, maybe I should lower this stop. AFRM, yeah, that's man. This is one. It just got away. It would have, man. It was so explosive. I always have a hard time chasing these things, but you know, many times the ones that you feel like you're chasing, they're the ones that gonna work out really well. Happens to me all the time. HX yesterday, DWAC yesterday, DWAC today on the short side. Actually on the long side too in pre-market. Whew, wow, what a day, insane. With no previous momentum. Well, if you go back and look at pre-market yesterday, it had a lot of momentum. Case closed. If I had, well, I've said it before many times, if I had to redo it, I would not waste 1 second of my life with day trading. It's a completely useless exercise. It's so much easier to master trading by swing trading. Day trading is mostly a waste of time. And those day traders that are really good, you see them posting, you know, $50,000, $100,000 days every week. The big irony is they would make much more if they were swing traders. Just a lot of people have limited their potential by day trading and not taking a leap to swing trading. Yeah, technically I day traded DWAC. Who cares? I day trade every day. I get stopped out of things every single day. But it wasn't my intention to day trade. DWAC yesterday wasn't my intention to day trade it. And you know, there's like 5 people wrote in the chat today, they bought this DWAC at 14 and sold at 15. That's what the day trader mentality gets you. And a lot of these day trading shorts, they took their max losses and blew up. It's a waste of time, guys. You're gonna be you're gonna be profitable faster, and when you get profitable, you can scale it up much faster than if you focus on day trading. It's just a detour. No, it's not a detour. It's like a Wait, detour, is it a no, wait, is detour the same thing as a shortcut, or is it like you take a longer road? I have to Google. Distraction? Yeah, it's a distraction. Yeah, detour, yeah. Day trading is a detour. But if your personality fits day trading, you should day trade. Okay, you shouldn't swing trade. You should day trade. If you're one of these people, ADD people who want action, you should day trade. Forget about swing trading. Okay. The main thing is finding something that fits your personality. But if you want to maximize profits and get the shortest time to profitability, I really believe swing trading is the way to go. It's much easier, so much easier than day trading. Yeah, and if I had started swing trading, I would have made my first million much faster. And I would be running much more money than I'm right now. If you thought today's stream was epic, you should go and watch the stream. I think it was on this day, January 28th. January 28th, January 29th. I think, I definitely, January 28th was super epic. That's the day I made 10 million. Or 12 or whatever it was. And January 29 too. Those were like, oh man, my commentary on GME, my trading was shit. I should have made 20 million. But my commentary was spot on. I remember when I, you know, the bounce off the lows, when it like more than doubled off the lows or something. I called it, like I was like, hey, wait for the first 5-minute green candle. If I had followed my own advice, I would have made it, 20 million. Having said that, I really hope this DWAC goes to like 60 and then bounces to like 90. Yeah, in 5 years, I'll only trade spies and Qs. Man, no, it's a serious issue. There's good and bad. The good thing is you're forced to focus on fewer things. Okay, you're really forced to focus on fewer things. Like the amount of stocks that I scan, that I get in my scans today versus like 5 years ago, it's like maybe 20% of that. 1/5. Yeah, maybe I'll trade futures. But the problem is, trading stuff like DWAC, PHUN, like, okay, this is gonna offend some people, but you're competing against idiots. Or another word, unsophisticated investors. You get into futures, it's like being a, little shark in a pool of, I don't know, small fish, right? But if I would start trading futures, I would be a little shark in a pool with bigger shark. And that's a problem. That's going to be a problem. Okay, you need a competitive edge. And that competitive edge is going to be much, much smaller if I would start trading something like futures. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. This EDU actually built another higher low. Interesting. It's not going away. It's holding. It's surfing the 10-day. Man, once it finally gets in, takes out this 260, 255, whatever it is. Man, could have some potential. All right. Oh, I should probably cover some more DWAC. Oh. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Wait, what? And just to show how crazy these moves are, like FUN. You know, you could have re-shorted it here like 12 bucks when it took out the previous 1 minute candle. And you would be up 50% on it. That's how crazy these things are. You know, it's down 50% from the highs, right, at 12. And it's still a good short. Yeah, or at least a good entry point. And goes down another 50% plus. You know, don't underestimate this DWAC. I'm trying not to cover too fast. I really want like another bounce towards VWAP. That would be great. That would be epic. This thing could go red. What? Oh, if it goes red. Well, that would be epic. That would be really epic. Well, I recommend not shorting period. It's just much easier to make money on the long side. DWAC, yeah. No, you shouldn't avoid momentum trades like GME and GVAC, especially not on the long side. That's where the big money is. There needs to be a setup. Yeah, exactly. It's stupid. And you know, look, if you're not comfortable trading something, it means you haven't studied those types of setups, okay? Once you study momentum stocks and understand how big of an edge you can get, like literally there are momentum traders. I've seen momentum traders on my feed that avoid momentum stocks. It's like the dumbest thing ever. Yeah, zombie hours, that's like midday, right? Yeah, that's another dumb thing, especially for a swing trader. All right, let's get DWAC to 40. Let's go. I think I'm gonna remove this stop here. I don't need it. Gonna use the previous pivot. Man, this AFRM just keeps grinding. You know what? I should probably use the 10-day. I'm not gonna break my rules and stuff. Looks the uraniums are pulling back a little bit. TAN, if it closes weak, I'm definitely getting rid of it. LTHM2. And this is what it is. You get rid of the weak ones and keep the strong ones. And then next week or week after, you're gonna get new setups, hopefully. And then you rotate the free money into those. Oh, time to cover some more DWAC. Oh, maybe I'll have... Oh, I may get... If it goes down another $20, I may get to a $10 million day today. And this is trading like half size. That's the great part. It's always like that. It's so hard to get full size on these. It's scary to get full size. Would sympathy play like fun be an equal opportunity to short like DWAC today? I mean, if you just look at the two charts, you'll figure it out quickly. Why don't you just compare the two charts? Like, really? DWAC is down 60% from highs. FUN is down 75% from her highs. DWAC is down 38% the last hour. FUN is down 58% the last hour. You tell me. And they're both liquid, right? There's no liquidity. Well, FUN is a little bit less liquid, but still very liquid. All right. I think TAN, it's gonna find support, maybe on rising 10 or something next week. I don't know. QCLN is something I will be watching for the next few weeks. This thing is stronger than TAN, and it's pretty much the same thing. But I'm out now. Look, it wasn't a great setup to begin with. Hopefully the 20 catches up and then we get a real setup on it. It's kind of funny, the market always pulls back when you get these crazy moves. Every single time. Like clockwork. Yeah, Kenny Boy is trying to punish us because we made money on this DWAC. This GLD does look great on a monthly. Look at this flag. Holy shit. Higher lows for like 2 years, year and a half, getting tighter. This is really looking good. You know, if it breaks out, it could make a multi-year move, like it has previously. Look at these. Look at the. Look, if you look at something like GLD on the monthly chart, it's so clean. Look at how nice it serves the 10 monthly. You see it? It's the same thing as on the daily chart with stocks or weekly. It's the same thing on the monthly. There's so many ways. Like if I would run like $1 billion, I would look at stuff like GLD and maybe, I don't know, TQQ or whatever. Maybe not TQQ. This is not all, you know, stuff on the weekly and monthly charts and try to find trades. Ba-da-dum-bum. Imagine wicking GLD. That's gonna be on my to-do list. Imagine wicking like Spice or GLD. Or actually, GLD is not that liquid. Oh yeah, this one I could. Like if I get, I wicked Tesla once or twice, and this is like the most liquid stock ever. HX, this could be interesting as a mean reversion play. Soon. I don't know when. I get SEC for me, for what? For trading a big account? I didn't know trading a big account was illegal. Can you point to a rule where it's illegal to trade a big account? Wasn't aware it was a thing. Meow. That was my cat. How I prepared after it. The Kodak loss wasn't a big deal. I had just doubled or tripled my accounts, and then I lost my like 12% of my account in one day. You know, it was just suck it up and move on with my life. It wasn't a big deal. I made it back in like a week. Your drawdowns and big losses should always come after you had been on a big run. Pro tip. Covered some more DWAC. Aha moment? I've had a lot of aha moments. The most recent aha moment I had in trading was discovering how liquid some of these ETFs are. Even though they are, you know, not liquid on paper, but in reality they're super liquid. That was the last aha moment I had, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago, where I realized I could scale my trading very easily, trading ETFs. But I've had a lot of aha moments, a lot of them. Can't remember all of them. If I'm using, I don't think there is big edge in the options flows. I don't know, maybe there is. Well, okay, let me put it this way. If there was that big of an edge in those options flows, why is options hawk trading peanut size? That's my cat sniffing on a mic. All right, DWAC, can we get another VWAP push? Holy shit, that would be so good. Come on. Can we get like 105? Man, that momentum in AMAT disappeared quickly, huh? They couldn't get enough of it in the first 10 minutes, and now they just can't get rid of it fast enough. Okay. A lot of things are pulling back. A lot of things. And you know, on DWAC, just like I said like 20 minutes ago, the commenter on AMC, it's the same thing. Look at the 5-minute candles. You wait for the first green 5-minute candle, and that's your risk reward. That's your entry. And this thing could easily bounce back to VWAP. And the shorting is the other way around. And if you have a small account, it's very easy to get fills. For me, a little bit harder. Oh my god, it has no volume today. Oh, it's because it's been halted most of the day. Never mind, that's why. But yeah, the volume is lower. On the other hand, the dollar volume is probably higher, but... A lot of the energy flags that were holding up are starting to pull back. Is there an edge buying ETFs with underlying? Well, if you put in some effort, you can find it out. If you put in some effort, you'll find out. When I trade, I only trade things without an edge. Pro tip. It's amazing how many questions can just simply be answered, put in some effort, find it out yourself. You'll never build trading confidence if you don't find out these things by yourself. Exactly, self-leadership. That's what Pradeep talks about, self-leadership. I didn't realize how many people lack self-leadership until I started streaming. It's amazing. I would want one more push on DWAC, closer to 100 or 110. 110 would be epic. Yeah, people are fucking lazy. Everyone thinks trading is easy. I thought that too in the beginning. I thought it was gonna be super easy. Well, guess what? It wasn't. And it wasn't until I started putting in a lot of effort that I became profitable. If Tang goes, can SPWR go with it? Well, I don't know. You can find out by comparing the two historically and see how correlated they are. There's your answer. Alright, guys. Plenty of action today. You don't get days like this very often, especially not lately. It was fun. Pun intended. Even though I didn't trade it. Alright, have a great weekend and hopefully see you on Monday.